until my meat turn, and I'm gonna add my onions afterwards. So in the meantime, over here, I have my water boiling. Hey, baby. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. What you doing here? Okay. Okay, you guys. This is my spaghetti. Now, some people like to put theirs in there whole, but ever since my kids were small, I always broke mine. You know, we cook and choose how we want. Girl. So I'm going to let that cook, you guys. And I'm going to go back over here and put my onions in my meat. Everything looking so good. So I'm gonna let that get translucent. In the meantime, I'm gonna add some black pepper. Add a pinch of salt. And I'm going to add my Italian seasoning. You little flakes be going everywhere. So I'm going to incorporate this very well. Okay, and I'm going to let this cook down. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. All them seasoning there. Okay, so I'm going to let this cook down, you guys. Okay, you guys. My pasta is all done. And I drained it, so I'm about to put my noodles in here. I just finished actually washing a couple of dishes. So, okay. Now I call myself making just a little small. Y'all see my noodles? Just a little small, because it's something like I said I seen online. So my noodles. And here's my garlic toast here. I'm gonna put in the oven. Next, I'm gonna add my sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna add some Alfredo sauce, you guys. You can make your own, or you can just do it this way. Hot pan, hot. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. So what I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to continue on mixing this all together so it get well incorporated, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I have it incorporated. And now, this is my sauce with my, can you guys see that? With the onions, I cut up my meat. Okay, so they said you put this over it, don't mix it. Now you just spread it around. Okay, hot in this kitchen is better. So I'm gonna put this together, guys, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I got my mixture all incorporated. Now I'm about to add some cheese. It done got hot up in this kitchen, as usual. I'll use all of this, and I got this I'm about to use now. This is gonna be so good. So I'm gonna try to show you. I'm gonna step back. And here we go. Okay. Can you guys see that? Okay. So I'm gonna put this in the oven till the cheese melt, and then I'm gonna put it on broil just for a few seconds, you guys, just to get the good color on the cheese. Oh, I love it like this. And it's gonna be so cheesy. I also have my garlic toast I'm gonna put in the oven. And my back here, guys, I got me 3 boiled eggs going because I'm gonna make me some boiled eggs. Okay. So okay, guys, I thank you for watching. I'm finna